Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a video for you that is going to be a core workout. So these are going to be exercises that I would recommend for beginners or people that struggle to do abs like me. I absolutely hate doing abs, but this year I've made it a goal of mine to do them at least once a week. I probably will start to do them 2 or 3 times a week. So if you guys do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.